All right, hey guys, we're with Uncle Pedro and Raymond. So for the last month or two, we've been keeping a little secret.
Yeah, secret.
And we have a big surprise. We've been working behind the scenes to get Uncle Pedro a bakery.
Look at this.
Yeah. So I guess no need to talk about it more. I want to shout out a date though. June 5th, 2021.
Yeah.
Come down
Yeah.
near the church.
Near the church. St. Joseph the Worker Parish here in Magdugu.
Yeah. So June 5th. So please come by. That's our opening day. So I'm about to turn around and show you guys the bakery. Hey guys.
Hello.
Today is a very exciting day.
Yeah, today is another day.
It is another day, yes. And we're actually right outside Raymond's church.
Yes.
St. Joseph the Worker
Parish.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is where Raymond spends a lot of his time.
This is our church here in Magdugu.
Yeah.
This is where they send their package. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is where all the packages go. And sorry if you can't hear us, we're right by the highway. But we have a big surprise today.
Big surprise.
Which is very, very close to the church.
Yeah, very, very close.
So if
Very,
anybody...
very exciting.
Yes. So if anybody's in the area and knows where the church is, all you have to do is walk about 50 steps this way. And what is 50 steps this way, Raymond?
We show them.
We'll show them?
Yeah.
All right, we'll walk over there. We'll do in fast motion. We'll show you where.
1, 2. 50 steps, bro.
All right, we're here. And what is this, Raymond? Do you want to say?
Start for letter B.
A B. It's the bakery.
Bakery.
Yes.
With a B, with an A, with a K, with an E, with an R, with an I.
Yes.
Bakery.
Oh, so if you can't tell, we're very, very excited.
Yeah.
We're going to have our own business here.
Yeah.
So that's just awesome news. So eventually, who's going to be the cook? Who's going to be the baker?
Very own Papa Pedro.
Papa Pedro.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll give you a little view. Here's the front. If you can imagine what it'll look like, it'd be like the front here.
Sari store before.
Okay.
Sari store before.
And then you're going to extend over here, right?
Yeah, extend here. 6 feet to 8 feet.
Okay.
6 feet by 8 feet.
Nice. So there'll be a little extension here. They can put some more equipment in.
Yeah.
And then, want to go inside?
By the road.
Yeah.
And near the church, so people after church, they will be hungry.
Yeah, this is a really good location. We're right next to the church.
And then bakery.
And then the bakery, and then over here, there's lots of stuff going on over here too. So we're hoping this is a really great location where many people will stop by.
Come in.
Wow.
Go.
Very nice. So this is
material, bro. The bricks
all right.
for the ceiling.
Okay.
Then the tent for the extension.
Okay.
The cement for the floor outside for extension also.
All right.
And we knock this down to place the mirror.
Okay.
We put mirror here. Going there for extension.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So this is my first time seeing it too. So this is great. This is awesome.
Yeah. So this is father's area, the baker's area.
Okay.
Yeah. And maybe this oven, roller, equipment, and the bread here.
Nice.
And outside, or we can make a little entrance here or door
Uh-huh.
going there, so easy access.
Nice.
Then the father's table here outside.
Cool.
Yeah. So tomorrow or soon we can start here.
Start here.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
Very, very exciting, guys.
Yeah.
So pretty soon we'll start this project, and then we're gonna try to make this into one video so you can kind of see the process as we go. All right, so I guess we'll get going, and then very soon we'll start this project, and we'll keep you guys updated with this. So we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Here's a quick update on the bakery. There's the front. There's a pretty lady dancing in front. So they're gonna start the extension here. And this, so right here would be like another room. Let's make it that much bigger. What's up, Jim boy? Good work, bro. All right, so we are at the bakery. What's up, guys? Looking good. So there's the extension. Very cool.
There's the table for the baker, bro.
Nice.
Like you bake bread like this
Uh-huh.
here, and there's a window here,
Nice.
and here inside. At the front, the display of the bread.
And there'll be like a glass there where people can
Glass.
see?
Glass.
All right, cool.
And inside here, there's a refrigerator. And inside here,
This is where they sell?
the bread here, not yet cooked.
Okay.
Also, right there.
Hey, I'll walk over there real quick. All right, so now we're inside. So the bread, Raymond was saying, is gonna be over there.
Yeah.
And then this is, of course, where the window is, where they'll sell it. And here's like a better look at it. So it's coming along very nicely.
Here's the oven, roller, and mixer. Oven, roller, and mixer.
Okay, so the oven, roller, and the mixer
Yeah.
will be right behind here.
Yeah. So the people outside can see inside the brilliant.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. It's like showing
Yeah.
how they make it.
Yeah.
I think that's really interesting. So
Yeah.
people can see from the outside
Yeah.
them making the bread here. So very cool. It's coming along very nicely.
You can put here like layer for the bread.
Okay.
So when you after cooking the bread, you can while still hot, you can put here.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it's like a cool down place.
Yeah, put on place.
Cool. So very cool, guys. This is another update for today,
Yeah.
and then we'll try to update soon again.
Yeah.
How you feeling? Excited?
Excited.
Very,
Excited
very
to
excited.
eat the all kinds of bread.
Yeah. we might have a problem. I think we're gonna eat too much of
We
the
have mukbang later.
mukbang. Yeah, that'd be a good one.
Any kind of bread.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it. All right, guys. We'll see you guys soon on the update. Bye bye. All right, hey guys. I'm just doing a quick little update. Here's the bakery. I think we have Jim Boy back there working behind here. You can see the wall. Here's the extra room here. Hey, Jim Boy.
Signage, bro, at the top.
Oh, they have a sign up there?
Yeah, at the top.
All right, cool. And there's a place to put the bread that's cooling down. And then here, some more storage. Very nice.
Before it, close here. Look, okay now.
Wow. Very nice, man.
It is done.
Yeah. Moving along very quickly. Good work, bro.
Yeah, bro. Father, bake bread here. The table from here to here.
Nice. All right, guys. So today we have a very exciting day. Raymond and I are going to the city to
Bye.
some equipment for the bakery.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's very exciting. So I guess it's gonna be an eventful day. We're gonna go there, pick out some equipment,
Yeah.
and then hopefully start the bakery soon.
I'm not excited to buy the equipment. I'm excited to eat the bread.
He's more excited to eat the bread. I am too. Uncle Pedro is the best cook around. So I think a lot of people in this area is excited too. But it's been a secret. We keep it on the DL.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go with the equipment, and then
Yeah.
hopefully very soon after that,
Yeah.
we can get everything in and start the bakery. So cool. So go let's.
All up.
All up. We'll see you guys there. All right, so Raymond is inside. He's talking to one of the owners here. We're trying to find the best deal, so this is our second stop. The first one we stopped at was a little pricey, so he's trying to get a better price here. I'm trying to stay out of the scene so they don't see me, so Raymond can get a better price. But we're gonna stop here, and then If we find a good price here, we might get it here. If not, we'll continue looking and we'll keep you guys updated. Cebu Stainless Kitchen, Bakery, Equipments, and Fabrication. All right, there's the number right there.
Cut out the one who holds the signage.
Yeah, this is actually Amuk's nephew.
Yeah.
This is Jeffrey. Hey, Jeffrey. Very good news. We just bought the roller.
Roller.
It's not the exact one. They're still gonna build it, but this is gonna be what it's gonna look like, kind of.
Yeah.
And
the
then
oven, bro.
the oven.
Here's the oven. So 12 plates oven.
Nice, bro.
So the baker cook here.
The mixer. Okay.
There at the back, but not yet finished.
So they still need to build the roller, which is gonna look like that, and then the oven, and then the mixer.
Shout out to Jeffrey.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jeffrey.
He helped me able to get discount.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
So if you guys are looking for a good deal with quality products, you can check out Cebu Stainless Kitchen, Bakery, Equipments, and Fabrications, I think it was called. Hey guys, we're just driving by the bakery and check it out. That is looking really good. So this,
The plain glass.
the glass will be there, and then they got the holder for the bread, and the tiles. Nice. And then over here they got some more tiles.
Plain glass also here.
Okay, the glass will be here.
And here the bread.
Nice, okay. And then right there will be the machinery.
The baker of
The bakery stuff.
table of the baker.
Oh, the table over there.
Here.
Okay,
The
nice.
machine inside.
All right.
Here. And
Very
the
cool.
bread here.
Nice. Very exciting. All right, here we are at the bakery. The glass is complete. Very nice. And then the outside's looking good. Oh, look who it is. What's up, bro? We're just doing a little update on the bakery. This has been Raymond's secret job, so whenever he sneaks away in the videos, this is why. So
Yeah.
behind the scenes, we're keeping this a secret until now.
Yeah.
So very exciting.
The equipment scheduled for tomorrow.
Yes. Awesome, bro. That's so exciting.
So
What about me? So that's exciting. So tomorrow, and then, you know, whatever, maybe a few weeks after that, we can actually start. That's awesome. So very exciting. So here's a quick little update for here.
Yeah.
So we have the tiles inside, if you guys can see that, and then the equipment's coming tomorrow.
yeah.
So very cool. All right, hey guys, we're with Uncle Pedro and Raymond. So for the last month or two, we've been keeping a little secret.
Yeah, secret.
And we have a big surprise. We've been working behind the scenes
Yeah.
to get Uncle Pedro a bakery.
Look at this.
Yeah. So I guess no need to talk about it more. I want to shout out a date though. June 5th, 2021.
Yeah.
Come down
Yeah.
near the church.
Near the church. St. Joseph the Worker Parish here in Magdugu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So June 5th. So please come by. That's our opening day. So I'm about to turn around and show you guys the bakery.
Surprise! 1, 2, 3.
Wow! June 5th, coming soon. Brilliant mind! Our brilliant baker! So how do you feel about the bakery?
Sa feeling mo nga na
Happy! Happy! He finally gets to show his talent. Like he's
Yeah.
been cooking with us a few times and he bakes like with a can to make bread, to make cake.
last year.
Yeah, and it's amazing what he can do with it. But now he has his own bakery. So now he can show his talents to the world. So if anybody's around the area, please come by. So the name is Brilliant Baker. So if anybody comes by and they see this red building, you can stop by. So it's not fully finished yet, but June 5th is our opening day.
Wait there, bro.
Okay.
You go inside.
Me go inside?
Yeah, go inside.
Okay, okay.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I buy hot and spicy girlfriend.
Oh! We're all out at the moment. But if you come back June 5th.
June 5th?
June 5th.
Okay.
We'll have plenty.
Oh, really? Can you give me hot and spicy girlfriend?
Yes.
That day, June 5th?
June 5th.
Here, bro. You can update inside.
All right. So here's the inside. This is where like the display will be, and this is where you order the food, right?
Yeah.
Or the bread.
As it finished, there's a little door here.
Okay. So you can
Like
slide in and out.
Yeah.
So here's what the front will look like.
Hot free. The hot bread right here.
All here. Okay.
Hot bread.
And this is where he'll make the bread?
Yeah, it's table. There.
Okay. So that's where the table's gonna
Yeah,
go.
later we transfer right there.
Okay, so eventually that will go there. And Alex was here making that. Alex and the team,
Yeah,
right?
Alex.
All right.
Where's the mixer, bro?
The mixer, okay.
Mixer. So, the oven.
Nice. All right, let's have a demonstration. I'll go on this side.
Ito natin. So after 5 seconds and 2 months,
2 months.
open
Finished.
like that.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So that's exciting. So come by and get your bread June 5th.
A mixer.
Mixer, yes.
Mixer. 15. Salt.
Salt, milk,
Egg.
egg. Don't give all those special ingredients
How many
away.
eggs?
Lard.
Ano po bro?
purpose.
All purpose. All right.
Class center.
Kita niya roller pa.
Sugar.
And sugar.
Sugar roller.
Roller. Well, it is.
Ano po dito?
Makes a bread.
Here, after mixing the bread, so put here.
Okay.
Then before you slice, you make sure here.
Okay.
Flat.
To make it flat. All right.
Small, a bit big,
there's
ready.
Ah, so look, you can get all different
Okay.
sizes.
Time. Start.
Ah,
Start.
cool. Wow. That's awesome.
Break. Stop.
Oh, there's a break, bro.
Break.
Break.
Ah,
If you
yeah.
want to stop, like this.
Yeah.
Emergency brake.
Yeah.
This is a break.
Nice. Smart. Very smart.
Stop. Automatic. Rolling pin.
Nice.
Rolling pin. Cut. Cutting.
Pandesal.
Bread pandesal.
All right.
Bread pandesal. Cutting.
Oh, just save your energy. John 5th.
And it's cool because there are the windows here, so people can like watch you
Yeah.
do this. So it's kind of interesting. People want to come by and kind of look through the window.
And
Then you
also,
see the
I can see my future girlfriend walking.
walk by.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's important. You gotta always go be ready.
Plus, yellow pigs because of
What?
abog. Abog.
Above means dust.
Dust. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Keep all the dust out.
Outside.
Yeah, stay
Abog.
outside. The dust can stay outside.
Outside abog.
Alright guys, we're gonna say our goodbyes. This is very exciting. Remember the date, June 5th. We'll be open this Saturday. Come by and get your bread.
Yeah.
And I guess we gotta see you soon. Alright, bye guys. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Baker ang
Assistant
Helper.
baker.
helper.
The helper of the helper.
Baker.